Hello guys, this is how to make a New York style burger. To do this, you'll need supplies. The supplies consist of a grill spatula, lighter, cheese, salt, meat, and buns. Make sure to ignite the grill very hot because it needs to be around 700 degrees for it to cook very thoroughly. When you prepare the meat, make sure to roll in a ball first. After you roll it into a ball, flatten it. Flatten it very flat as it is a characteristic of the New York style burger. Salt the meat. When you are salting the meat, make sure to salt it very lightly on one side, pat it down, and then salt the other side of the meat. Now you are ready to put your patty on the grill. Put the patty on one side for around 1 minute and make sure to close the grill to trap the heat in. After, you should flip the patty and also add cheese on top of that patty so you get melt on the cheese, and again, around 1 minute. Then, you should always cook the buns. To cook the buns, just place it on the top rack of your grill and then flip later. Now you are done cooking. Put the buns on your plate and then put the patty on the buns. Then sauce the meat. Sauce the meat however you will like it. Finally, make sure to enjoy. This is how you cook a New York style burger.